Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to tag someone on TikTok. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our TikTok app. After opening your TikTok, on the bottom, you'll be able to see a plus sign. Click on it. After clicking on plus sign, you can either choose to record a video or upload one. Here, I will be uploading a video. After you have chosen the video that you prefer to upload, click on next option. After you have uploaded your video, you'll be welcomed with a page where you'll be able to see various options and features. Here you'll have privacy settings, edit, text, stickers, effect filters, noise reducers, audio editing. Here you can choose to make major differences using these features. Here I will not be making any differences, so I'll be clicking on the next option. After you have clicked on next option, you'll be welcomed with a page where you'll be able to see once again many features: tag people, add link, who can watch this video, allow, save to device, share to. Here I will be clicking on tag people. After that, you can search the person that you want to tag in this video. After you have chosen the person that you want to tag on this video, click on done. After that, click on post. Here you'll get a confirmation note whether you want to post the video or not. Click on post video. Here right beside your profile name, you'll be able to see the person that you have tagged. And with that, you'll be all done. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to tag someone on TikTok. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.